Moving into May of 2026, here's the Astro Excel plot for the month ahead. Notice how we're starting out early on, banging around between the 10 lines until the 8th and 9th when we break down and get down to the minus 20. So we've got some negative pressure in this area. We're working back up, get back to 0 on the 11th, back down into the morning of the 12th, and then we get up to the 10 line here in the middle of May on the 14th. Another push down to about the minus 18 area to the 15th, and then we've got a strong bullish push up until the 18th here, up to the plus 26. That's the strongest bullish part of the month right there. We're going to move back down just below 0 to the 22nd. A push back up above plus 10. Also on the 22nd down to the 23rd, up to the plus 10 on the 25th. Down to the 26th to about the minus 13 area, up to 0, then back down, and final push to a low on the 29th, getting down just below the minus 20 area again, and then moving back up to the end of the month. Looking at the current week, the week of May 3rd here, starting Sunday night, you can see here we're just hanging just below the 0 line and just above the 0 line for the bulk of the week. So to the 8th, then we don't break out until after the sessions close. So really, this week is pretty much flat. The pressure is very neutral on that green line. We've got this spike here tonight at 2200. Kiss the minus 10 line at 3 a.m. Monday morning. Little double bottom there at 7. Making a push blue line high 3 a.m. on the 5th. A low at 1700 on the 5th. A spike peak to plus 16 at 4 a.m. on the 6th. Bottoming out at minus 15 late on the 6th. Another push down to that area on the 7th at 8 a.m. Almost touching Friday at 5 a.m. and then we get this 8 a.m. low down at minus 13, and that's going to do it for the coming week.